How do I start a video call on Messenger?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to walk you through a simple process, starting a video call on Messenger. Whether you're new to the app or you've just never tried the video calling feature, this tutorial will have you chatting face-to-face in no time.
Getting the Messenger app ready.
The first thing you need to do is make sure you have the Messenger app installed on your device. This tutorial assumes that you have it installed and are logged in to your Facebook account. Open the Messenger app on your device. If you are not logged in already, you will need to log in with your Facebook account.
Finding the contact you want to call.
Now, we need to select the person you want to start a video call with. Once you're in the app, tap on the Chats tab at the bottom of the screen. This will show a list of your recent chats. Tap on the conversation with the person you want to video call. If you haven't messaged this person before, you can tap on the Compose button, usually located at the top right corner, and then search for their name.
Initiating the video call.
With the chat open, we are ready to start the video call. Look for the video camera icon at the top right of the screen. Tap on this icon to initiate the video call. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now be able to easily start a video call on Messenger. Enjoy connecting with your friends and family. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you encounter any issues, try going through these steps again. As always, we hope this tutorial has been helpful and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.